the University of San Diego, we've always been committed to social innovation, to pursuing a greater good, to serving a higher purpose, and to confronting humanity's challenges by fostering peace, working for justice, and leading with love. It's part of our ethos, the very fabric of who we are as a contemporary Catholic university. That's why USD was proud to launch our Social Innovation Internship in the spring of 2025 to celebrate the many ways our students help USD express that deep commitment.
Having our social innovation intern was amazing. It really provided an opportunity for us to lean into our mission. And what I mean by that is our intern worked on actually impact calculation and research data so that we could really understand what our offset was as it relates to our mission, which is to eliminate single-use plastic bags.
I got to create research content for the sales and marketing team at Lotus. So I got to work very closely with the sales and marketing team there, and I was able to make really tight connections. 10 weeks just feels too short, honestly, because it was a really good internship.
When I saw the opportunity, I really wanted to have like a hands-on opportunity here in San Diego. That's why I'm glad that I choose USD, because they give me the opportunity not to see only the public sector or the private sector, but like a multi-diverse opportunity. I can get information from international organizations, nonprofit.
And what I had not expected was that her experience, her knowledge, and her insight into the grant process, the award process, the way that we could manage and grow this business is a portion that I did not have organically within my team. And it was so wonderful to have her provide me that fresh set of eyes that I otherwise would have been so blinded to.
Internship programs really support workplace development in so many ways. As a host site, we have the opportunity to train folks in very specialized areas. It's pretty unique that we are a regenerative farm that is operating at the scale that we are. And so having folks be able to come in and learn with us and grow with us supports our operation. And we hope that it is supporting the individual as they are taking the skills that they've gained here off into the workforce, whether it's here at the farm or somewhere else.
Coastal Roots has definitely provided me with a deeper understanding of what regenerative agriculture is and how that plays out in practice, kind of boots on the ground. And not a lot of people actually know what it means. So being able to grow in that knowledge here at Coastal Roots has been very important for me.
We're really pleased that we were able to adapt to the hybrid environment of the reality of work today, but also be intentional with providing our students with really profound in-person experiences.
Equipping our students with those experiences, networks, and skills is our responsibility. And as we light the way forward here at the University of San Diego, we are committed to ensuring that our students live and lead inspired and meaningful lives.